In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the first challenge. So let's have a look. This is what I'm asking you to recreate. So I'm going to start by creating a new tab. So let's click on the plus button here and a new sheet. And I'm just going to call this Modes of Transport 2. So we want it to look like this. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to put these titles in and change the background color. So let's put in mode transport, and then we are putting in the days and then the word average as a title. So Monday, Tuesday. Now what I can do is actually select these and drag these over, and it's going to put the rest in, and then I can put in average. Now this column needs to be a little bit wider, so let's expand that column and select these. I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to put a background color in, and I think that's the color there. So there we go. Then we need to put the modes of transport in. So this is car, bus, foot, bicycle, train and helicopter. And the final one there was a total. Okay, so let's look what else we needed to do. Oh, there's a line that we need to put in there. So let's put in for the total. So I'm going to select those there, and then I'm going to go up to this border and then just choose the above line. There we go. So now I just need to put the numbers in. Now the numbers don't need to be exactly the same. So let's now the numbers don't need to be exactly the same. So I'm just going to put the numbers in here. Okay, so there are my numbers. Now I'm just going to have a look what else I need to do. Now the column widths are slightly different here. So the Wednesday one is slightly wider. And the reason for that is probably because Wednesday is a longer word. So I'm just going to make these column widths slightly shorter, and then I can click on Wednesday and make Wednesday a little bit longer. All right, maybe a little bit shorter than that. Okay, and now what we need to do is we need to make these totals. Very easily, what we're going to do is we're going to start a formula and choose equals, and then sum, bracket, and then let's just select these, and then press return. That's totaled these up. And then simply all I need to do is copy this across, and then it's going to total up. And you can see the formula here. So this is going to total these up. Now I want to find the average. In a similar way, you use a formula. So we're going to type in, you've guessed it, the word average. And then bracket, and then let's just copy those across. And then bracket, close, and there's our average. And then let's just copy that down there. Okay, so that's my table. Now the next thing I need to do is I need to insert this graph. I'm going to select the data that I want to use in my graph. Now bearing in mind we don't want the totals and we don't want the average. We just want Monday to Friday and the mode of transport. And now what I can do is I can go over to my graph icon here, or I can go to Insert, Chart. All right, so let's click on that. And then it's going to ask me what chart I want. Now, there's lots of different ones we want here. Now, the one that I know is similar to the one that's on the other sheet is this one here. So let's click on this one and then insert, drag that to a nice place. And let's see now what needs to change. What needs to change is the title. Okay, and we've got the days there. So let's have a look. Right, this is correct, but the title isn't. So we can click on the title. Number. There we go. Now I think everything else is actually correct. So there we have it. That is how you actually reproduce the spreadsheet that I've put under modes of transport.